window frames installed.
Right, so to build one and we have
To do that, we have to go down and get more tubes. We gotta fix the one that's out of square. I gotta double check that. And then we gotta build one more frame and then get it tacked into place.
Okay, so this one, when we use the other one as a template to make this one, somehow it got out of, we think it got out of square a little
It
bit.
did get out of square because it hit the heat for the welding tweaked it. I thought I had it clamped better, but it wasn't.
All right,
It didn't hold very well.
Okay.
So.
So an 1/8 inch out of square, okay.
Oddly, it's also an 1/8 inch on the side, but all of
Oh.
those
How did we do that?
Yeah, so these tubes got pushed out a little bit because it's a little small this way, but again, that's
okay.
And we're talking about an 1/8 inch.
Yeah, yeah.
So the whole thing kind of got an 1/8 inch out.
Okay. So what's the plan then? Are we going to take it apart? Or?
Well, hopefully we don't have to do anything that extreme, but I'll find out. I think we might be okay. I just called. Okay.
He's back. Hi, AJ.
That's one long one, and we need another long one like that, and we need 2 shorties. We're gonna have to start.
What are you doing? Oh, you're going to clamp them on there so
Yeah, so.
it'll hold it better?
The way that we're just gonna build it one corner at a time.